found a leak right here underneath this. It's a hot water leak. So the next step obviously is to go ahead and do the repairs. And there's two different options on a slab leak repair. One is to pinpoint where the leak is, open up the floor and just do a small repair, or do a reroute. The number one question I get all the time is, how much does a slab leak cost? Well, that can range anywhere from $1,500, and we've also seen them as high as about $5,800 on a pretty big, extensive reroute. So I just wanted to take that moment and offer you some insight on what it costs to repair a slab leak and those two different alternatives. Let's go outside, and in this particular situation, we're going to go ahead and do a reroute. Let me show you what that looks like. Again, reroute is a way of rerouting the pipe, eliminating the pipe underground versus opening up the floor and doing a dig.
All right, folks, so here we are outside, and as you can see, we relocated the hot water line and brought it to the outside, and we're going to run it along the side here. We're going to strap it securely. We've got Juan and Pete, our master plumbers, here. And what we've done is we've located, by opening up the stucco wall using our leak detection equipment, and found that this pipe right here was leaking. I'll show you what that looks like right now. Alright, so now that we've eliminated that leak, we've tied back into the existing copper pipe that's not leaking. This actually feeds the entire house. Okay, so we've essentially, again, eliminated opening up the floors inside the house by doing this. So this specific job here with wall patching, drywall, stucco patching, waterproofing, and running the line came out to about $34.50 with everything. And obviously we're offering a nice warranty with that because it is a permanent solution. So anyhow, folks, hopefully this helped give you the insight on what it costs to do a slab leak repair or a relocation. As always, thanks for watching.